It's a 2017 Toyota Prius. Driving change without changing driving, the art of moving forward is embodied by the Prius. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, front heated bucket seats, configurable instrument gauges, doors and push-button start proximity key, manual tilting steering column, automatic transmission, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and inline 4-cylinder engine. Edmunds.com writes, Prius has pretty much become synonymous with the word hybrid, and with good reason. Not only has it been a pioneer, but also by far the most popular hybrid. Toyota, steered by ingenuity, driven by passion. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Nick Alexander BMW is your premier Los Angeles BMW dealer. We're conveniently located at 6333 South Alameda Street in the Huntington Park neighborhood of Los Angeles.